Hey Virgo. Alright, let's get into your message for today, Virgo. Virgo. Okay. So there's someone that's getting ready to come towards you, Virgo. And this person's intentions is to trigger you. They're trying to open some kind of door. Okay, I heard pathway. It's like you've already closed the door and you locked the door, but they're standing at the door and they're trying to unlock the door. So it's like someone trying to force themselves back into your life, or they're trying to force themselves into your life or something. So I don't know if you've already set boundaries. Maybe you have said something about it, you've spoken up. But I feel like someone, they just simply don't know how to take a hint. Okay, they don't know how to take no for an answer. So something about protection, you need to get protection or something like that. Not only spiritual protection, you know, Virgo, I feel like you're already spiritually protected, but I feel like this is physical protection. Not saying that I see anything happening. I just feel like someone was once possessive over you. I mean, they still are, but I feel like someone could be afraid of speaking up. Or they once were afraid of speaking up. But they're not anymore. But yeah, Virgo, I just feel like, someone does not know how to take no for an answer. So instead of you saying no, you're going to have to show this person no. No means no. They're trying to force themselves back in your life, or they're trying to force themselves in your life or something. Speaking of a door, make sure while you're asleep or just any time of the day, you know, make sure your door is locked. Make sure everything in your place is secure when you go to sleep, or just at all times, of course. Virgo, I heard you need to move, or you need to move again. Like, you could have already relocated, but it's time for you to move again or something like that. Virgo. I see someone going to like the gun range. Maybe today or tomorrow. Something about your aim. You have perfect aim. I'm hearing like you're right on time. You're always on perfect timing or on perfect time. You could be purchasing some kind of firearm. I heard a Smith & Wesson. Or maybe you're trying to figure out what kind of firearm works well for you, because you know, when it comes to guns and things like that, not every gun or every firearm works with every person, okay? But I feel like you're doing this because of protection or something like that. I don't know. I just see someone going to the gun range or something like that. Or you want to. So you have heartache and loss. Triumph. So like I said, Virgo, you are getting over something, or you've already healed from something. Someone is 37. Someone is 37 years old, or they're turning 37 years old during this Virgo season. I feel like someone has also lost their grandparent, their grandmother at 70, when she was 73. And I feel like maybe you were having a hard time with her passing away because you two were extremely close. But I feel like you're getting over that. You're slowly getting over it, or not getting over it, but you're slowly healing from this loss. Okay. But I just feel like in general, Virgo, in general, I feel like in general, you're getting over something, or you got over something that was heartbreaking, okay? You have triumphant success here, okay? What is triumphant success? All right, so let's see what this is. What is this? Harmony, okay. Yeah, I feel like you're at peace now. You're at peace, okay? You're at peace from this loss, okay? Whatever loss you were going through. Like I said, I don't think you've gotten completely over it, but I feel like you are healing, or you're just doing a lot better, okay? What is harmony? Rejoice in celebration, okay? Virgo, you're also going to be coming together with someone, okay? This could be someone from your past. Someone that you already know. What about this person? Suffering in silence. Why is this person suffering in silence? Why is this person suffering in silence? Because of your movement, choices, and decisions, okay? So I feel like after some kind of loss of a connection or just some kind of loss in general, there's better coming. Someone is suffering in silence, or it hurts them because you moved on or something. I feel like this is the same person that put you through pain, that put you through heartache, that put you through loss. Now they care. But you know what they say. You never know what you have until it's gone. So this person did not realize that. They did not realize what they had until it was gone. And what they had was you, a genuine connection, a genuine person. Or Virgo, this could have been you, okay? What is movement, choices, and decisions? Disruption. Yeah, they're disrupted or having a hard time with you moving forward. But I feel like you endured so much. You went through so much. So how is it that they can feel disrupted or they can feel this way, but you can't, or something like that? So the way that they made you feel, they're now going through that. They're going through this now. Now they know what it feels like to be hurt. Virgo, I also feel like maybe someone walked away from you. They ghosted you for someone else. And it's like now they're realizing that they shouldn't have ghosted you. They shouldn't have went with someone else, because this other person turned out to be a karmic, or they turned out to be a bad person or something. Or this person was literally a joke to them or something. They couldn't take this person seriously. I feel like you wanted serious things with this person. Like building your life with this person, children, buying a home, owning a business, setting up generational wealth. But they chose to deal with someone else because this person seemed to be more fun or something like that. But they're a karmic. They're a karmic, so of course they seem that way. And I'm not saying that you're not fun, Virgo, or anything like that. I just feel like you're very traditional, okay? In other words, you're wife material, you're husband material. This other person that they chose over you, they were not wife material. They were not husband material. They were literally a joke. So jokes on them or something like that. Joke. You could find yourself laughing a lot too, Virgo. moving on. Once again, just like the reading from yesterday, yeah, waiting game. I feel like you gave this person enough time. They had enough time, or you gave them more than enough time. And they continue doing the same thing over and over. But Virgo, it's also a matter of time before you're with someone else, okay? Love begins. Right now, I just feel like you're focused on yourself. You could be traveling a lot, doing business with others, okay? Maybe even out of the country. I see someone getting their passport, or this is what you want to do, get your passport. I heard Egyptian rug or something about Egypt. What is love begins? Third eye chakra. So you're going to know who this person is, Virgo. You're going to know wisdom. You're going to know this. And this person is going to accept all of you. They're going to accept all of your flaws. They are going to love you unconditionally. And I feel like you're going to do the same. Right, wisdom. Prosperity begins. You've also learned a lot. You have a lot of information. This could be about investments, investing. Something about stocks, bonds, things like that. You could be learning about that. Someone is also learning the value. I heard learning the value of prosperity. If that makes sense. They're learning the value of something. Crown chakra. Yeah, they're learning. I heard they're learning a valuable lesson. They're learning a valuable lesson, but you're also learning something too, or you learned something. The value of time. Someone has learned the value of time, how to spend their time wisely. Someone is also a conspiracy theorist. They don't believe in time. Someone does not believe in time or something like that. I heard time traveling. So Virgo, you have an old soul. You have an old soul, which is why you feel like you don't belong or something like that. Or it's not that you feel like you don't belong. It's just you feel different. And it's because you are different. Okay. Third eye chakra. Positive movement forward. I'm also picking up on too, Virgo. People have a hard time moving on, but you don't. Maybe when you were younger. But I feel like, Virgo, as you got older, you became wiser. You've actually applied your lessons to your life. And so you're very, very well aware of how much time you wasted on like useless things, or time and energy that you used on things that were not serving your greater purpose. I won't say it was a waste of time, because I don't think time is being wasted if you're learning something. But I just feel like the lessons that you learned, you're applying them to your life now, okay? Someone is even asking you advice on how to move forward, on how to let go. Because Virgo, I feel like when you let go, you completely let go. You slowly let go. But once you let go, you're done. Someone also wants classes. They want classes. They want classes on how to move forward or something. So you could be like a spiritual therapist, or a counselor or something like that. Someone looks up to you, or many people look up to you because of your spiritual strength, okay? You're very strong, very wise. Okay. All right. Give me one more for spiritual strength. Balance. You're also a balanced person, and people admire that about you. Some of you could be dealing with a Libra, or you could have Libra placements, okay? Yeah, but Virgo, I feel like you quickly got over this. Not quickly, but you got over this loss or whatever you were going through. Okay. So just continue healing, because you're not done yet. You still have, I heard obstacles and challenges. You still have some obstacles and challenges, okay? But you'll be able to get through it, okay? Or maybe you felt like you were not going to be able to get over some kind of loss, but you did, or you're currently healing from that. And I feel like you're doing much better, okay? So Virgo, never underestimate yourself. No, never underestimate yourself. Always believe in yourself. Always believe in your abilities. Because if you really want to do something, including healing and doing better for yourself, you can, okay? All right, Virgo, so that's all for this message, okay?